Coral reefs have been an integral part of aquatic ecosystems for millions of years. They keep the oceans healthy and full of life, whilst attracting thousands of tourists every year. Now, for the first time in their long history, coral reefs are under threat. Today, we'll look at what's causing their demise and the effects it may have. The Maritime Show presents, Why Are Coral Reefs Dying? Before we get into the heavy stuff, we first need to look at what coral reefs are and their importance. Coral reefs are considered biomes and are made up of tiny marine invertebrates that live in colonies. That's right, corals are more animal than plant. These creatures are considered keystone species as they have a huge role in preserving the health of the oceans. Coral reefs recycle nutrients in the water that are essential for various marine food chains, concepts that could not function without them. Furthermore, coral reefs provide habitats and shelters for various thousands of different species of marine organisms. They even have an important role in land ecosystems, as they diminish the effects that tropical storms have on coastlines. If these tiny creatures were to cease existing, the Earth would be in big trouble. So what's killing these reefs? The answer to that question is humans, but not in the way one might think. Aside from bottom trawling and pollution, one of the main reasons humans are killing coral reefs is due to their excessive use of fossil fuels. When humans around the world use this substance, carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere. While this substance naturally occurs in the air, an excessive amount can lead to damaging effects. Carbon attracts heat from the sun. The more carbon that is in the air, the more heat that is attracted to the Earth, raising the average temperature of the oceans. Warmer oceans cause the algae that keeps corals healthy to be expelled. This leads to coral bleaching, the eventual death of coral reefs. To make matters worse, oceans will then also absorb this incoming carbon. As oceans absorb more and more carbon, the pH of the water will start to lower due to a decrease in carbonate ions, the building blocks of coral reefs. While coral reefs can normally adapt to such changes, they are both occurring at such a rapid rate that coral reefs will end up dying out rather than adapting. While all hope may seem to be lost for these coral reefs, there are solutions. None, however, will be as effective as this. Reduce your carbon footprint. If we continue in our manner, the ecosystems of this earth will perish, and the creatures along with it. By significantly reducing or eliminating our carbon usage, we can slow the rate of climate change and save the planet. But it won't be long until humans are under threat as well. That's all for today, guys. If you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for the next episode of The Maritime Show.